If you want to install Cosmic Desktop on EndeavourOS, you will see that it's not here in the options. So in order to install Cosmic without any other previous desktop installation or window manager, you just start the ISO and this is what you will get. Then you go to this page and here are some instructions how to do it very easily. So first you want to copy this line and you just paste it in the terminal. And that will install all the packages that are needed for Cosmic Desktop. And this will also include Cosmic Greeter as your display manager. Then you copy this line and that will enable Cosmic Greeter. And then before installing, you go to Home Live User Package List. So User Package List. And here you uncomment the line that are needed for your graphics card. For instance, I have AMD and I will just uncomment Radeon, save the file, then you can quit this file. And then when you start the installer, you go to online, you choose here what you want, and here under desktop, you choose no desktop and you click next. And here you don't have to touch anything. I just remove firewall and Firefox. System boot is just fine. And then you go with the installation like you normally would. And then you leave it just to install everything. And when the installation is finished, you just click on Restart Now, done. And here you will have Cosmic Greeter. And of course, EndeavourOS little app will show. You can just minimize that for now. And this is a little sort of setup for Cosmic Desktop. I don't need screen reader. And when you are finished with that little setup, you will have Cosmic Desktop on EndeavourOS. And now you can of course put Capuchin theme for it. And for this you just clone their repository and you download it. And then you can go to Cosmic Settings, Appearance, Import, and you go to directory that you downloaded that repository, Cosmic Desktop, Themes, Cosmic Settings. And now you just pick the one you want. I will choose Mocha Maue, of course, open, and just like that, everything is changed. It's looking much better and now you can play with it however you want. And I did found on the internet that these two packages should also be installed. So you just install them, the first packages and then Power Profile Daemon. And this is all that I found on the internet that you have additionally installed on EndeavourOS. I will be installing this on my little minis. And if I find something else, I will let you know in the video. And that's all.